Hi everyone, so in this video we will talk about relationship. Relationship is a very important concept whenever we are doing the development. It is responsible for mapping one table with another. Let's take an example. Suppose we have one application similar to YouTube, and what we are doing is we are managing one table where we will store all the details regarding video. And we have one more table where we are managing the channels. So each and every video is connected with some channel, right? So to establish this connection, we use relationship. So if we talk about relationship, it is the relationship between two entities, or we can say two tables. So we have four kinds of relationships. Let's talk about them quickly, and in the upcoming videos we will explore them one by one. So the first type that we have is one to one. That means one record of one entity or one table is connected with one record of the another table. Here we have the example where one channel has one category. For example, this PithorAcademy channel has the category education. So it is 1 to 1. So the second one is many to 1, where n numbers of record from table 1 is connected with one record in table 2. For example, developer and company. A company can have n numbers of developers, so it's n to 1. The third one is one to many, where one record of first table is connected with n number of record of the right table. For example, a company can have multiple products. For example, Google has multiple products like Gmail, Google News, it has GCP Cloud, and it has this amazing platform that is YouTube. So this is an example of one to many. And the last is many to many, where n number of records in first table is connected with n number of records of right table. So it is represented with n to n, which means n numbers of record of first table can be connected with n number of record of right table. For example, a developer can have multiple skills and multiple developer can have same skills. So these are the four relationships that we have. So in the next video, we will explore these relationships one by one with one example.